y'all, this is Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. Today I have a really fun unboxing, or I guess in this case it's an unbagging. I've been waiting on this for a couple of weeks and I'm so glad that it came in. So let's get right to it. I have PaintGem, and this is diamond painting. It does look small because it is. It is going to be 12 diamond paintings in here. So I know that you're looking at this and you're saying there's no way that that is going to be 12 diamond paintings. But let's open this. And I have not seen this. I don't even know what all comes in here. But then it gives you PaintGem, very colorful. And this is just going to, I'm assuming, telling you how it works. So if you know how to diamond paint, there you don't need the instructions, but if you're not sure, then you can look at those instructions. And then you have here, to me this looks more like a cookie, but it has wax. It's just your red wax, but it's really cute. That would look cute just sitting on my desk, if you can see that. And then I have all of these little beauties, and this is the plant edition. So I'm going to go through the first one. These, I know you cannot see this on screen, but in between here there's a really thin line, and you can either use scissors and you can cut these, or you can actually use a paper trimmer, which is what I will use. And I will cut all of these, so I will have 12. And these are going to be 4 by 5. I think it's 4 by 5. I don't want to tell you the wrong. It may not state on here, but it is the size of a normal photo. So it will go right into a photo picture frame, which is what I plan on doing. But these are all plants. If you can see all of those. And they're all green, some type of a green plant. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do these, and then once I'm done with them, I'm going to get 12 small frames. I believe that's 4 by 6. I just went completely blank, y'all. And I scrapbook. I should know better. But these look really, really cute. They are very clear. It's not focusing as well as I want it to. And these are very clear to do. Would not take maybe 30 to 45 minutes to even do this. And then we have under here where it says PaintGem, this is going to be our toolkit. We have a regular plastic white boat. We have, it looks like a 2-placer. There's a single placer as well that's on the pin. We have 1 pin, and then here is, it looks like maybe an 8 or 9 multi-placer. We also have some tweezers that honestly aren't very good. They're just plastic. And then we have a little purple squishy. But we also have, what I really am going to like about this, all of the drills are in one pack. So all of these are going to have similar colors. You don't have to kit up every single one of these, because that would take a long time. But with this, we're going to have all the colors, and these colors are also in sealable baggies, which will be really nice. What we could do here, if we wanted to, is just to work out of these baggies. What I am probably going to do, even though these are so small, I am probably going to go ahead and still kit this up in a really small container, maybe even one of my Tic Tacs that I very seldom use. And then that way they're all 12 ready. I will go ahead and cut all of these apart. As I mentioned, there's a small, real thin line there that you can cut for each one of these. So I will do that, and then they will all be ready to go. When I have a little bit of time here and there, I can pull one of these out and go ahead and get those kitted up. It also comes with an inventory sheet, and this one is called the Houseplant Edition. You can see there. And it is 4 by 6. It's right here in front of me. It's 4 by 6. Okay, that's hard to focus. It doesn't want to focus there, but that's 4x6. It has all of the actual quantity on the right. It has your DMC code on the next one here. I'm going from right to left. Then it's going to have all of your actual symbols, and it's going to have the numbers. And it looks like on the bags, it's going to have the DMC number. You can see that. It has the DMC number on there. It's not going to have the actual number or the code on here, and that's fine. I will just do this in DMC order. And then from there, I can kit up. I am going to be kitting this up sometime soon, probably early part of next week or this weekend. I will do a video on the kitting up, but these are really pretty colors. And of course, most of these are going to be green because they, it's, greenhouse plants, it's just greenery. And I am sorry, my dogs came in here from outside. I forgot to close the doggy door, and so they are playing. So if you hear some growling, they're not fighting. That's how they play. So that's a really pretty colored green. But look at all of these greens that are in here. And it doesn't look like there's very many drills, but you really don't need that many drills because of how small that this is. But these are really pretty. They have several other kits from PaintGem. They have some really cute ones that are like museums. They have just several different ones. Then they have other plants that you can have, and also flowers. Then they're going to have the next one that I'm going to get, I think, and that's going to be more of, I think, art. I really want all of them, but I have a couple that I have on my list that I would like to have. I am also now an affiliate. When I placed my order, they saw that I had a new channel. They asked if I would like to be an affiliate with them, and so now I am. So my link is underneath the description. There's no obligation. Do not feel obligated at all to purchase, and you will save 10% if you do use my link. But again, I am not trying to sell you anything. I am just trying to save you a little bit if you decide this is something that you would like to do. And this is excellent for new beginners of diamond painting, because you can see on here if you're going to like it or not. It is very small. It is good for beginners up to advanced. And so this may take beginners a little bit longer than it would take someone that's advanced. But then you can see if you really like diamond painting, and that way if you do, then you can purchase something that's larger the next time if you wanted to. But that way you're not investing a lot of money into this. I think this was around $33 US, if I am correct. And I don't think I paid anything for shipping. But I want you to see all these greens. I'm looking at these squares. They look really good. It's kind of hard to tell until I get in here to really see what these are. Now this one, I saw a little straggler on one that I just showed you. It was a yellow. Must have gotten buried now. But it had a little yellow that was in there instead on the square, but that's fine. But just really, really pretty. And they're very shiny. I mean, to be this small of a kit, I think that is going to be a lot of fun. So definitely look for me kitting this up. I'm going to show you how I plan on doing this. Of course, you can do it your way, but I'm going to show you the way that I am foreseeing me working on these and how I'm even going to store them. With those little grays, there's not very much in that bag at all. And these bags are really good to save once you're done and use them for other purposes, such as if you're working on a larger kit and you don't have enough room in your containers, you can actually put it in one of these and label it. Or you can just keep these in here if you have any that are left over and you just want to save them. I also have my own storage container that I already have started. so I don't need that either. But I do keep the baggies because if I need additional bags when I'm kitting up, they are right there. So that's really pretty as well. So I really hope that you enjoyed this. And if you have any questions about this, please let me know. I am showing you one more time on how pretty that these are. I can see this over my bookshelf in either my office or especially in my craft room. My craft room is very pink and I have some blacks in there. I need to have other colors. And so this would look really nice above one of my craft tables or my craft bookshelf. And I'm also going to have a craft room reveal, but I really want to get my room cleaned up a little bit more. I scrapbook as well as make cards. And I've been making a lot of cards lately, and I have a lot of things everywhere that I would be really embarrassed for anybody to see. But I will get to that shortly. Thanks so much. And if you like this content, you'd like to see more of the content, please consider subscribing and become part of the tribe that we have going on here. I have a small channel, but it is mighty. It is growing. I would love for you to be part of that growth. So please hit the like button if you like this content. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you'd like to make a comment, I would encourage you to do that as well. Until next time, take care, everybody.